boiling water, add a touch of olive oil and a good pinch of salt. In with the macaroni pasta, just add it nice and slow in there. So here I've got a different shape, I'm just gonna add that as well in there. Give this a good mix and we're just gonna let it boil for around 8 to 9 minutes. As you can see, our pasta is nearly ready, looking very nice. Drain the pasta. Just gonna add a touch of cold water on there to remove any excess starch. Alright. Just leave it there while we cook our sauce. Alright, so let's make our sauce. Turn the heat to medium low. And with the beautiful knobs of butter. Now we're going to add same amount of plain flour in there. We're going to cook the rawness of this flour down. This is almost like a roux. So yeah, we're just gonna cook this down around 2 minutes. As we can see, our flour is obviously changed in color. At this point in time, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add our milk in nice and slowly. There you go. Give this a good mix. Just nice and gentle. Again, add some milk. Give this a good mix, nice and easy. We're gonna take things very nice and slow. As you can see, it's asking for more milk, so I'm just gonna add a bit more milk in there. Give this a mix again. Heat is on medium low, and this is cooking beautifully. And I'm gonna add my rest of my milk in there. So once you've added your milk, just let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now let me tell you, if your mixture is too thick at this point, just add more milk, okay? So while our sauce is cooking, I'm just gonna season it with a touch of pepper. There you go, beautiful. Obviously salt, good pinch of salt. Don't be scared of salt. Paprika. A bit of the red chilli, just a little bit. We can mix that in, nice and slow. Alright, so this is how our sauce looks once it's ready. At this point in time, obviously our heat is at low. What we're gonna do now is grab our grated cheese. I'm just gonna add in there. After adding that in, I'm just gonna mix it. There you go. So you just add a little bit of cheese and then you mix it. So there you go. I'm just gonna add in again. Then I'm just gonna mix that in. So that's our mature cheddar, and now I'm gonna use a different type of cheddar in with that. And again, we're just gonna mix that in, nice and easy. At this point in time, you can just turn off the heat, because our mixture is hot enough to melt all that cheese away. So again, I'm just gonna grab a bit more cheese. As you can see, the sauce is looking nice and creamy. Just mix that away and just remove it from the heat. So I've grabbed a tray like this one. I'm just gonna add my pasta in there nice and slow. Look at that, beautiful macaroni. Yum, yum, yum. Everyone loves it. Now before we add our sauce in there, what I like to do is I'm just gonna season it with a touch of pepper. Now look at that beautiful sauce we made. Just give it a good mix first before we add that in. And we're just gonna add that in there. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Just add it all in, yeah? Now give this a good mix. It's gonna be nice and creamy. Look at that. Oh yes. so creamy, cheesy. Oh man, I love it so much. Wow. Trust me, you never eaten a macaroni cheese like this before. First we're gonna add a bit of the cheddar cheese, just a little bit, a bit of the orange cheese as well. Now here is the fun part. I'm gonna take some breadcrumbs and I'm just gonna, scatter them on the top like so. Look at that, that looks amazing. Now these breadcrumbs were mixed with parsley, dried parsley, give it that aroma. And here we are. Look at that. That looks amazing. It's time to go in the oven. Alright, so we're going to finish this in a preheated oven at 220°C for 10 minutes until the cheese is completely melted. Alright, so check this out. Looks amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. So creamy and nice, Let's go. Wow. It melts in your mouth, very creamy. Wow. Along with those breadcrumbs. Wow. Very, very delicious. Cameraman, some tissue, thank you. Make sure you definitely enjoy it. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any questions you have, please leave them down in the comment below. Salam.